Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on Kraken full guide. Open your Kraken account, enable margin trading, and verify your identity before placing any leverage trades. Start with a small position to learn how margin, leverage, and liquidation thresholds interact. Always set stop losses and calculate required margin in advance. Treat leverage like a tool, not a shortcut, and never risk more than you can afford to lose when trading. To place a leveraged order, pick your trading pair and select leverage from the margin options. Use a limit order to control entry price and minimize slippage during volatile moves. Calculate required margin and ensure your account balance covers initial and maintenance margin to avoid liquidation. Always set a stop loss and consider a take profit to protect gains, and monitor positions actively while using leverage for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and may help you avoid reckless leverage decisions. It's a practical read that pairs well with careful trading habits, and it might make your risk choices calmer and smarter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Risk management is critical when using leverage on Kraken. Calculate position size, required margin, and liquidation price before opening trades to keep risk within limits. Use stop losses and avoid doubling down with higher leverage after losing trades. Diversify across markets when possible and only risk a small percentage of capital per position. Regularly review leverage strategies and adjust exposure as your account balance changes to preserve capital and sleep well.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.